How do Bitcoin and altcoins compensate each other? In a world of cryptocurrency, Bitcoin is the original trailblazer, but it's far from the only player in the game. Bitcoin may be the king of crypto, but it doesn't rule alone. In fact, Bitcoin and altcoins work together in a way that strengthens the entire cryptocurrency ecosystem. Think of them as complementary forces, each filling in the gaps where the other may fall short. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only, not a financial advice. Do your own research. Bitcoin, the digital gold. Bitcoin is trusted, time-tested, and incredibly secure. It's often compared to digital gold, a store of value and a hedge against inflation. But while it's great for holding value, Bitcoin is not built for flexibility. Its network is slower and less suited for complex transactions or innovative applications. Altcoins, the innovators. Altcoins, on the other hand, are like the research and development wing of the crypto world. They experiment with faster transaction speeds, energy efficient mining, smart contracts, privacy features, and real world use cases. Ethereum, for example, opened the door to decentralized apps and DeFi, something Bitcoin was not designed to handle. How do altcoins relate to Bitcoin? Think of Bitcoin as the first generation cryptocurrency, designed mainly as the decentralized digital currency and of course store of value. Altcoins expand the use cases of blockchain technology. While Bitcoin focuses on being digital gold, altcoins are exploring everything from decentralized finance or DeFi to gaming and supply chain solutions. A perfect balance. Here's where the magic happens. Bitcoin brings stability and trust, while altcoins bring innovation and adaptability. When Bitcoin dominance rises, it often brings more attention to the entire market, which can fuel interest in altcoins. Conversely, when altcoins make waves with new tech or features, it can reignite interest in Bitcoin as the original and most secure asset. Together, Bitcoin and altcoins form a dynamic ecosystem. Bitcoin lays the foundation and altcoins build the future on top of it. Rather than competing, they compensate and complement each other, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the digital financial world. Follow Keep Adding Value for more crypto video contents.